Hey guys, what's going on?
What is going? Hey, it's been a long time.
It has been a very long time.
We kind of forgot how to YouTube. No, I'm just joking.
No, this is actually probably true. It's been a long time since we vlogged, so hang with us.
Yes. So we have been working on Halloween 2000. What year is it? 22.
We forgot a lot of things. Even.
You forgot. Yes.
But yeah, we've been super busy. We're getting ready for Halloween 2022.
Yes.
Can you guys believe it? We get to do some Halloween this year.
Yes.
As you can see behind us, we have this monstrosity right here.
Yeah, we're working on a Halloween mausoleum or crypt, Halloween crypt, and I tried to film a little bit of this process, but I haven't been very good about it. So I think what we'll do moving forward is we'll just do some progress videos and see, show you guys how the project's coming along. I got so wrapped up in building, I just kind of got lost in it. I never turned the camera on much, but the good news is we have lots and lots of videos that cover a lot of the things that we've been doing on here. Now, we've made a couple mausoleums in the past, like years ago.
You know what? It was actually 10 years ago.
Today?
Well, I don't know exactly, like today, Chris.
Well, anyway, we did make a couple.
Yes, but 2012, because that was the year. We made it in 2011, but 2012 we did the walkthrough. But you guys, we're celebrating our 10 years on YouTube in August.
Ooh, it's been 10 years. Huh?
Yeah, 10 years.
Well, I know it's been a long time because when I look at some of those older videos, I'm like, man, my hair's not gray and I'm a lot thinner. So 10 years ago, though, when we made those two mausoleums, they were just the facades. They were just the front. And they were the entrances and exits of our little walkthrough that we made of the haunted house back then. But this one is like Mausoleum 3.0, or is it 2.0? What would it be?
Well, I guess it's there.
I don't know. I don't do math very good, but I can tell you this one's going to be all the way around. It's going to be one of the ones that a lot of haunters have made, where you can have like a little floating guy in there, or
scare actors,
or whatever you want to do, because it's going to have a room inside. It's got a back. It's got sides. It's got front. It's going to have a top. All that kind of stuff. So let's check it out. For those of you who weren't aware of some of the videos that we've made in the past, I first started out with building a couple decks. I show how to make these decks in the Ghostbuster videos. The wall flats, we have a whole video series on how to make Hollywood studio flats and do the window cutouts and door cutouts and all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in that, again, we'll put the links below. So Gina and I designed this to where it's modular. It comes all apart, lots of different pieces. And so there's several walls. There's like 2 in the back and 2 on the sides and 3 on the front. And then each one of these columns is a separate piece. It's awesome because we even got Harrison out here working, painting, helping us get this thing done.
He's a good helper.
Yes. We're at the point now where we're just gluing all the foam to give it some designs and be able to chip away and add some of that kind of fun creepiness to the Halloween crypt.
Yeah, but this is just the side. But here is the front, and the sun is this way, so not great for filming, but...
It's me getting out of bed in the morning.
Yeah, I was just gonna say. But check this out over on the side. Look at how beautiful this foam is. This is such a fun design. We're making it way different than we've ever seen a mausoleum done for Halloween anyway.
Yeah.
We're taking a lot of inspiration from real mausoleums.
Yep.
In cemeteries, but yeah, this is what we've got so far. It's funny because I told Chris, he goes, well, should we start filming from the get-go? I said, no, why don't you go ahead and get started? But lo and behold, here we are.
Yeah, it's sometimes it's just fun to get lost in work,
Yeah.
Start building stuff. But yeah, from here on out though, we'll try to like I said, film some process or progress. It's hard.
They're making a birdhouse next door.
they're making a mausoleum.
Yeah, they're making one too.
Whose mausoleum will get finished first?
I think yours. You're using power tools. Well, here's the back side for anyone wondering.
This is going to be the easiest side to finish.
Yes.
I'll just, I don't even know if I'll fill up these staple holes.
You know what? I think we just paint it black or gray, right?
Yeah.
And call it good. But yeah, from here on out, you guys, we just wanted to make a quick update, say hi. Yeah. How's everyone doing? We're super excited for the Halloween season this year. We've already seen some Halloween videos come out on people working on projects, and they're having stuff in the stores, which is always fun to see. I always love, like, July 5th. Anyone else get super pumped? July 5th. It's like Halloween season is here, and most people are like, summer's just started.
Yeah, I know that. Though I get pumped like you do until I come out to work and the sun goes. I'm like, oh God, why does it have to be so hot when it's time to build?
It has been really nice weather here this year, though.
Yeah, just building Halloween in my underwear.
Yeah, I had him put on clothes before I turned the camera on. Out here with nothing but a little neck towel.
We have lots of other projects coming up, you guys, so let us know what you think. Please share and follow or all that junk, and we will start getting back into the YouTube world.
Yeah, this was just to get our feet wet again, show you guys a little bit of what we've got going on. This is going to be a super fun couple of months building projects. We have a whole handful of things that are going to be coming out, but this was just to say hi, see how everyone was doing. Let us know what you guys are working on. If you guys are just shopping out for Halloween stuff, if you guys are working on something, or if you're just anticipating the Halloween season, we would love to know.
Yep.
All right, you guys, we'll talk to you later.
Bye. This is a deck, the bottom of the mausoleum. We're making a mausoleum to a cemetery crypt.
Well, how come?
Do you want to be scared? Like in Thriller. I don't think you've ever seen Thriller. Have you seen Thriller?
No. He's only 5.
Well,
Maybe
anyway.
2 more years.
Yes. In Thriller, Harrison, there's some zombies that come out of the crypt. Yeah,
I
and
want to learn about that.
you don't want to learn about that, but there's fog.
See, that's why I said in 2 years. Then it'll be all over, I guarantee. I know of what 7-year-old brains want. They want goosebumps. They want creepy crawlies.
And Thriller.
I don't like Thriller.
You don't like Thriller?
I don't like no.
Do.
This is going to be the best crypt mausoleum ever.
Yeah,
Do you even realize, Harrison, what's going to happen? You're going to be able to come out of this crypt and be all... like the Munsters or like a zombie or something.
That's a good zombie face. Go gadget arm.
Hey, how about you do that?
You could do that coming out of there.
Here you go, babe.
To Thriller.
True thriller.
Yeah. I'm going to put on Thriller right now so you know what it is. All right. Thanks for helping.